this tutorial, the first thing we want to make sure we do is to make sure the model's hair is nicely blown out. Once her hair is blown out, I am going to go ahead and part out the half up section and the half down section. Once we have that parted out, we're going to do some heart braids on both sides of the half up section. So right now I am parting out the section where we're going to have the heart on the left side and on the right side. She's going to have the half up section, the middle area, just slicked up into the ponytail. Now to create the heart, I am just going to split the box that we parted out on the left side, split it in the middle, and I'm just going to part out like a C section on the left and on the right, so that way the hearts can meet in the middle. And we're going to be doing 2 hearts from one side on the left and on the right. Just part it out, and I'm just braiding down the heart designs. Now that we're done doing the heart designs, we're just going to slip the middle half up section into the ponytail. And I'm just adding some of my jam and edge control to slick down the ponytail. once it's slicked down, just go ahead and hold it with the rubber band and just braid up the ponytail section. Just wrap it together. Ponytail section is nice and done. And there we have it. So I did go ahead and crochet some of the Springy Bohemian twists into the half down section, as you can see. Added some colors to the hair, so we did some highlights into the hair, so we have some black and some nice colors of the hair. So now that we have the half down crocheted in, so the last step is to just do the ponytail for the half up. And I'm just going to do a rubber band method to make it quicker. Just attach the Springy Bohemian twist using rubber bands into the ponytail for the half up. There you have it. Now we have the half up section, and this is the finished look, guys. She looks so beautiful. I absolutely love it, and she loved it too. So beautiful. I love it.